at 4 Points Dermatology, we have a variety of different lasers. One of our most popular requests is for laser hair removal. We have 3 different lasers for that treatment. We have one hair laser that's for light skin removal, one for medium skin, and one for dark skin. All 3 procedures are very safe and effective, and again, we gear that laser towards the individual. We also have lasers that remove what we call redness. We have 3 different laser types for that as well, all equally effective and comfortable, but they all serve a different purpose. Thirdly, we have a laser called the IPL laser, which is a very useful laser for treatment of hair removal and photorejuvenation for treatment of brown spots and red spots. In addition, we have a new laser called the laser liposonics, and that is used for treatment of deeper fat. In addition to that laser, we often use it in conjunction with the laser that's used for skin tightening, and that laser is called Thermage. Aside from these various lasers, we also have the usual tattoo removal lasers. We actually even have a laser for treatment of nail fungus, and we have a laser for treatment of leg veins in addition.